Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun bright colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together, and I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, if you don't, you don't. It is what it is. We're just gonna have to suck it up. But if you don't subscribe, your next flight and the flight after that is going to be delayed. I hope mine aren't. I'm gonna put that bad juju on you, so just, hit the button and we'll all be okay. Today we're gonna be playing with the Wilderness palette from Beauty Bay, though. I absolutely love and adore this one. It's one of my top palettes in my collection. I rant and rave about it in this video, and I freaking love and adore it. And I ended up creating this gorgeous look right here. So if you want to see how I ended up creating this, do a little makeup playtime with me, then let's get into it. Drinky drink here. It's been a hot minute since I've had one. Well, not like off camera. I have them a lot. On camera, it's been a minute, but I have a blue raspberry Italian cream soda from a little coffee shop here that I try to go to twice a week. I freaking love it and I adore it. It's just so good. Today we are gonna be playing with one of my all-time favorite palettes in my collection. It used to be my #1 color story and just palette in general in my collection, and then it got beat up by the Fantasy Cosmetica Harvest of Souls palette. But this is just an oldie but a goodie. It is the Wilderness palette from Beauty Bay. I absolutely love and adore this one. I think it is just absolutely stunning. There's been a shit ton of palettes that have come out, obviously, but nothing has ever really compared to this one. I feel like this one's just so top notch. I really wanted to play with the Beauty Bay 2.0, the Brights 2.0, but I can't find it. She went missing. We're gonna have to create like a missing poster for her. And I know that I said that I was going to do like something with it like monthly and whatnot, but I can't find her. So this is just gonna have to fill that spot for right now. I'm really feeling gravitated towards these 4 shades right here. I'll probably throw in a little bit of Ray right there just because Ray is just absolutely stunning. But yeah, this is the color story of this one. It is just perfection at its finest. I am kind of feeling that too, so maybe we'll throw that in. We'll see. I honestly don't know. I can't remember what I've done with this palette. I've had it for like 2 to 3 years at this point, so there's been things that have been done and moments and memories that have been forgotten, clearly. But yeah, I'm gonna be playing with this bad bitch today. I'm super excited, and I'm really excited to do this. As always, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links, they're just there for y'all at this moment. Maybe at some point that'll change, but for right now, they're just there for y'all. To start, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the RE Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to Win, and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. Let me scooch you in. So to start, I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that Marigold shade right there, and I'm gonna take that on my Rephr 13 here, the less battered of the two, and I'm going to take that into the crease here, just higher up. If you can see some blue here, that is due to the fact that this is my second look. I tried and then I was like, oh my goodness, this is turning out really, really close to the look I just did with the Glam & Nature palette I put up on Saturday. So yeah, we're changing it up a little bit. But like I said, taking that Marigold shade into the upper part of the crease here, we're gonna blend it out. Yeah, I honestly, I'm still very lost on what I'm going to do with these shades, but I think I'm gonna be able to figure it out. I really do. It's just stunning. I like this color a lot. I'm starting to get over my hatred for yellows. But I feel like this is also different. Like, this is like a gold. It's like a poopy gold, you know? Baby blue yellow. And then I think I'm gonna go in with that Sunrise shade right there, and I'm still gonna take it on this Rephr 13 here. And we're just gonna take that and just plop it under here, blending it in. Oh, what gorgeous tones. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. One thing that I've always loved about Beauty Bay is that their formula has always been pretty goddamn bomb. Like, it's been consistent. It's been bomb. It works as it should. Granted, their color stores haven't always been the best and whatnot, but I think formula-wise, they're always a brand that you can really count on. But like I said, just taking it into the crease here. I might clean that brush off a little bit and just go in with a little bit more of that marigold shade, just to make it show back up here a little bit. We don't fully want to lose it, but just taking it, bringing it back in up here. You know, that's gorgeous. And then I think I'm going to switch over to my Refer 26 here, and we're gonna go in with that Ivy shade right there. Taking it, plopping it like this and into right here and right here. Ooh, that's just a gorgeous. Like I said, taking it into the outer V here and kind of blending it into that mess I created in the outer V area right here. Like, that is super pretty. I'm gonna switch to using my Unearthly Cosmetics A5. This is my go-to like blending in brush, and I'm just gonna you know, blend a little bit here and whatnot. Just make it a tad bit more cohesive. Like that's gorgeous. I like that a lot. I think I might bring that Ivy shade, the green one, in here. Granted, I have done a eye like this already with the Beauty Bay 2.0 palette. Like, really, I have. But I digress. I'll make it work. But just taking that into here. Dragging it up. We're just gonna do a halo eye because why not? And then going back in with that Unearthly brush and just blending it in here. Like, that is so bomb. I'm really liking how this is turning out. Like I said, just blending this in. I'm really wanting to blend this, what is this? Ivy shade upwards a little bit more into that Sunrise and Marigold shades, so then it's like a tad bit more vampy and smoky. Like, that's bomb. I really like that a lot, actually. Oh my goodness. And with just a tad bit more of that Ivy shade up in here, just because like I felt like it needed just a tad bit more depth to it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that Ray shade right there, and I'm gonna take that on my Refer 21. I've said this before and I say this again 5 bajillion times. This is my go-to shimmer brush, and I have not sprayed the brush either. I'm just taking it and plopping it into here on its own. I could probably use my glitter primer that I have over there that I just got, but for right now, I'm just doing it on its own. I'll make it work. Like I said, just plopping it into here. That's gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go plop a liner into here, and I'm gonna do my face, and I'll come back for blush, highlight, and lip details. We'll do the under eye, we'll do the inner corner. I have a feeling and a vibe for this. I'm freaking loving it and adoring it, and I'm really happy with it so far. So I'm going to be right back, hopefully. I switched shirts because the tones were matching, and now I feel like I should be a douchebag. I'm giving douchebag vibes right now, so there's that. Let's go over some details here, shan't we? I went in with this NYX Vivid Rich Emerald Empire liner in here. Then I went in with 2 different blushes. I went in with this Glaminatrix cream and powder blush, but I only went in with the powder one right there from Muted Mocha. And then I went in with a little bit of that tangy shade right there from the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. And then I went in with that Ivy shade from the Wilderness palette as some sort of a highlight, and then I mixed it in with a little bit of the Blend Buddy Not to Loosen, but in that shade right there called Enlighten. I feel like I look pretty goddamn bomb. I'm loving it. I feel, you know, I feel good. So we're gonna go into the under eye now. I'm thinking we just kind of bring that down a little bit, bring in the smokiness and whatnot. So I'm gonna go in with my Reference 03 here, and we're gonna go in with that Marigold shade. Taking that and bringing it along the lower lash line the whole way. Just like that. Like, that's super bomb. Just taking it so that we have it down here. And then going in with my Unearthly 23 here, and we're gonna go in with the Ivy shade. We're just gonna take that along the lower lash line and just blend it. Like, that's something right there. I did go in with a little bit of that Fossil shade. I used, I think, my Reference 21, and I just kind of plopped it on up there. I do think that I'm going to go in with that shade in the inner corner, but I am very tempted to go in with that Moss. But I feel like just bringing like something that's a bit lighter in the inner corner is the way to go. So I'm going to go in with that Fossil shade right there. And I'm going to take that on my Reference 03. We're just going to plop that into that inner bit right here. Again, no spray, no primer. Just making it do it on its own. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to go in with some mascara down here. I'm going to figure out a lip, and then we will go from there. For lip, I ended up going in with this Unearthly one in Bliss. Like I said in all my videos now, this is like my go-to neutral look. I really do like it. I think it just looks so bomb on this. I was going to go in with, where is it? This Unearthly one in Mandy. It's like a green, like a puke baby green, but I'm like, I feel like this just works so much better with this. It's fitting with the tones. It's a vibe. I really do like this look a whole bunch. It turned out so pretty. I really like it. I love the earthiness, the vibe. It's a good time. So here's a little look at the look. Sorry about the sun. It's just, yeah. I'm just going to go from like right here so then the sun doesn't just like completely ruin everything. But I really, really like how this look turned out. I think it's super gorgeous. It's super fun. I'm so glad that I pulled this one out and I played with it again. It's just absolutely stunning. Like I said, one of my all-time favorite palettes. It's just a wondrous time. Yeah, I really like how this turned out. It's super just, yeah, I really like it. So yeah, there is that. Today's video is done and dusted, as Jan says. Like I said though, I really like this. This turned out super bomb. I just love it. If you made it to this point of the video though, thank you guys so incredibly much for watching. I truly do appreciate every single one of you guys being here and enjoying and watching my content. It means the world to me. I love getting to do this. I love getting to play YouTuber. It's a grand old time. So just thank you guys so incredibly much. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit, don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist. It's 2025. Pull your head out of your ass and do freaking better. And remember to take in enough food, enough water, enough nutrients to be taking care of yourself and taking care of others, and not just, being such a people pleaser and self-absorbent asshole. Enough said. Thank you guys so much if you made it to this point in the video though. Like I said, it just means the world to me. So remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see a year cute face next time.